because all the hospitals are obviously putting details of their prominent doctors on the website, right? If I want to visit a cancer specialist, I'll go to the website of the hospital and see who are there. Now, in terms of putting the profile of the doctors, they had taken photos of the CV of the doctor and uploaded it.
Oh.
Now, the CV of the doctor had the residence address, the qualification, the residence telephone number, everything is uploaded on the website. Imagine a large hospital, actually number one in their field, at least in North India. This is the level of unawareness. I'm not blaming anybody for this level of unawareness in the market, right?
I think data has been a very abused commodity as far as India is concerned. People have not been really serious about it at all. I think one change, what was my first question to Dr. Limaye initially, but one change this law will bring positively is the sensitization of people towards data, whether it's a data principle in giving out the consent. Now that he knows that he has an option to consent, yes or no, I think we all should be very, very conscious about giving our consent out. And on the data fiduciary of what to collect, why to collect, when to collect, and those under the carpet kind of data collection and data usage should stop. Given the extremely high penalties, that brings to the penalties. In the schedule, for example, Dr. Limaye, I was noticing the penalties are amazing. I mean, every new law that is coming, that is only increasing the penalties. With you and I being legal practitioners for 25 years, we have seen laws with 100 rupee penalty, which still exists, some of them till date, 100 rupees or 1 year imprisonment with, or both. But now this says may extend to 250 crore rupees, 200 crore rupees, 200 crore rupees, 150 crore rupees, 50 crore rupees. This is really, I think, one of the. I mean, I'd seen competition law prescribing penalties as a percentage of the overall impact. Then even FEMA sometimes in some provisions, but this has laid down 50 crore to 250 crore in majority of the cases. So, what is your take, Dr. Limaye? How do you think Indian MSME sector, which is also obligated now to follow this, smaller organizations, how will these penalties be sustainable for these kind of companies? Even large companies, 250 crore is not a small amount as such.
No. What is the difference? Your previous question was 43A and 43 DPDP. Now in 43A, data principal used to get compensated for his or her own personal data breach. And here, these particular penalties are going to government exchequer. Data principal is not going to be benefited. That is the biggest difference between 43A and DPDP. Now, according to penalty, previous act talked about some percentages, that 2.5% or 5% of turnover, 10% of turnover, etc. But looking to the number of data principals residing in India and the volume, means government has already conducted harm analysis of the data principals in India, and then they have come to these particular figures of 250 crore or 150 crore or 100 crore. And mind you, there is small penalty of 10,000 rupees on data principal for not following duties that I previously addressed. That non-following of duty has become a crime now or will be penalized for 10,000 rupees. Just imagine a case, any social media company having big legal team at its discretion, penalizing each and every data principal for 10,000 rupees each. What will be amount that particular company is going to amass out of such sort of non-cooperative attitudes or non-following of the duties of data principal? But yes, provisions of 250 crore, 100 crore, 150 crore are really amazing. But looking at the size of breach which may happen and the loss or harm which may happen to data principal's data, it seems to be reasonably fair penalties. It's not that we have seen a lot of cases of, say, you referred competition commission. Bigger giants are fighting for 250 crore penalties, 100 crore penalties coming to settlement. Now those penalties are prescribed by competition commission only. and look at the size of penalties which are being submitted to respective governments as a compromise settlement by big media giants. That is, Facebook has made compromise penalties of more than what we can have 250 crores in India. So, looking at the size, significant data fiduciaries, this amount seems to be fair enough. But a question you raised regarding to MSME, yes, MSME, it could be too harsh because MSME is by that particular definition.
Welcome to Complinity Technologies. Complinity is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. Complinity is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000 plus laws and 24,000 plus compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose Complinity every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use Complinity. Automating your compliance management, request a demo at complinity.com.